In today's video, you guys will learn how to clean all drives so easily and quickly. So, let's jump into the video. First, right-click on your mouse, New, and go to the text document. Then open the notepad and type this text. Type the exact same thing that I'm typing. Don't miss anything. After typing tree, now you have to type your drives. Like, which drive you want to clean. For me, I am cleaning all my drives. Better if you type all your drives. You will lose no data. After typing this, go to File, then click Save As. Then choose the path on your desktop and change the file extension name to text from BAT. You must change the file extension name, and file name changing is optional. After doing this, close Notepad. Here you can see the BAT file. Simply click it, and our disk cleaning process will start. It will take 2 or 5 minutes. Now, your all drive is clean. I hope you have found something helpful in this video. Comment if you are facing any problems. Like and subscribe for more amazing technology videos. Tech Bummy out.